Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use layers and overlays in PicsArt to create an awesome design or photos. So using layers and overlay in PicsArt is a powerful way to create stunning and professional looking designs. And so this video, I'm going to show you how you can use them effectively. So in PicsArt, a layer is like a transparent sheet that contains an element of your design such as photo, text, or shape. So you can stack multiple layers to create a complex compositions. And here you can just open PicsArt app on your device and start a new project. You can just tap on the plus icon and choose a background image or color. Or you can also use a blank canvas. In this case, I'm going to just use color background. Let's see, I'm going to just use this yellowish background. And to add layers, you can just tap on the add photo button here, just swipe this one's right here, and then add image or elements that you want. So for example, in here I'm going to just add this image. You can just tap on add. So each new image you add will automatically create a new layer. So to view or manage layers, you can just tap on the layer icons, the stack squares on the top right in here. You can see the layers up here. You can drag the layers or to reorder them or delete by selecting or tapping on the trash icon. You can click on this and here you can replace or add more layer if you want to. So I'm going to add another layers. Let's just add a photo in here and choose a new photo. Okay, I've already added one. So when I click on layers, there are 3 layers now on my PicsArt. Sorry. And in here, if you want to overlay, so an overlay is an additional layer that you place on top of your main design to add special effects, texture, or element such as light leaks, shadows, or patterns. Here I'm going to just this one first. Let's make it like this. And here, if you want to add overlay, you can just tap on the add photo button again, but instead of adding a regular photo, you can search for an overlay. So here I'm going to just search for it on the PicsArt gallery. You can click on search and then just type on overlay, or you can also go with specifics such as light leaks or other. Let's just click on overlay. Okay, here you can just see there are lots of overlays that you can find in the PicsArt gallery. You can also upload your own if you want to. Okay, let's say I want to add this overlays right here. You can tap on add. If you want, after you add the overlay, you can resize, rotate, or reposition the overlay by pinching or dragging the overlay just like this. And you can also adjust the opacity of the overlay by clicking on this. You can adjust the opacity. I'm going to just go with full size like this. You can see now you can adjust it to how you like it. You can also use filter or adjustment tools to fine-tune the look of your overlay. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.